Hi and welcome back. Have you ever thought about how in today's lifestyle, diabetes might be quietly knocking on our doors due to some not so great factors, habits, and diets that we have? Yes, it's a real thing, and it's time to wise up, to take control of our blood sugar levels, and live our healthiest lives, far from diabetes complications. If you're keen to discover the actions to take, hang tight to learn some easy and effective tips to control diabetes and maintain optimal sugar levels in your body. The power of sleep. A solid night's rest significantly boosts insulin production and supports glucose metabolism. Let's break down the 2 key secrets to crafting the ultimate sleep routine. Dim those lights an hour or 2 after sunset, creating a chill vibe for your body to prepare for a good night's rest. When you're ready for bedtime, go for total darkness. Sneaky lights from screens or power strips disrupt your body's chill time, affecting the pancreas and stomach, crucial for blood sugar regulation. Embrace the magic of waking up early. Catch the early rays, make it a cool routine. While it may take some getting used to, coupling a good night's sleep with an early wake-up is a game changer for stable blood sugar levels. Simple but crucial advice to control diabetes. Constipation. Constipation, the mother of all diseases, is a big hurdle in managing blood sugar. Efficient waste elimination is crucial for organ function. Regular bowel movements are vital for removing substances affecting blood sugar, making it essential for diabetes control. Take constipation seriously, as it can hinder the effectiveness of medications and a balanced diet in controlling blood sugar levels. Stress. If you often find yourself stressed or struggle to cope with challenging situations, it may impact your ability to control diabetes. Chronic stress can disrupt diabetes management by affecting blood sugar levels and the nervous system. This may lead to glandular dysfunctions, impacting vital organs like the pancreas. Finding moments of calmness is a top focus to maintain balance. Embracing tranquility not only benefits blood sugar, but also enhances overall health and happiness. Physical activity. Enhance metabolic efficiency and lower blood sugar levels through regular physical activity. Include aerobic exercises and occasional high-intensity intervals to positively impact hormonal sensitivity, improving blood sugar even at rest. Aim for just 20 minutes a day. If intense exercise is challenging, start with simple activities like walking or yoga. You don't necessarily have to go to the gym. You can just use affordable online apps with personalized workout plans for convenient diabetes management. Okay, it's time to explore the most crucial and demanding part: what to eat to control diabetes. But first, if you are enjoying this video, let us know with a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to stay updated on our latest news. Carbs. Consider swapping refined carbohydrates for whole ones, like whole grains or wholemeal bread and pasta, to manage blood sugar levels and enhance overall health. Protein. Opt for plant proteins over animal proteins for lower saturated fat, higher fiber, no cholesterol, and environmental sustainability. Be cautious with plant proteins high in carbs. Cravings and sweets. While sweets are generally not recommended for diabetes management, you may satisfy cravings with sweet and healthy alternatives like dried fruits. Options such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, apples, and pears are also excellent choices. In moderation, high-quality honey can also be considered. Now, let's explore 4 uncommon foods that when consumed can have a positive impact on diabetes. Tripe. Nutrient-rich tripe offers iron, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and essential B vitamins, making it a healthy choice for those with diabetes. High in protein and low in fat, it helps in stable blood sugar levels and weight control. Note its cholesterol content, particularly for individuals with hypercholesterolemia and uric acid concerns. Okra. Also known as lady's fingers, okra is a low-calorie, low-carbohydrate option rich in dietary fiber. It slows sugar absorption, enhances insulin sensitivity, and contributes to improved blood sugar control. Its nutrient profile and antioxidants make it a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet, suitable for various culinary preparations. Black-eyed beans. These beans offer a healthful choice with a low glycemic index, helping in steady blood sugar levels. Abundant in fiber, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, they promote overall health and diabetes control. Cook them with olive oil and lemon for a flavorful addition to your weekly meals. Fenugreek. Fenugreek, rich in soluble and insoluble fibers, supports blood sugar management and intestinal health. Studies suggest it may reduce LDL cholesterol, crucial for diabetes-related cardiovascular risks. Its antioxidant content fights oxidative stress. Incorporate fenugreek into soups, stews, dressings, and teas for overall well-being. Don't forget that to control your diabetes, it's important to include vegetables in half of your meal plate, especially non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and carrots. Low or no-fat dairy products without added sugar can be consumed in monitored portions. Avoid or limit the consumption of foods with saturated fats, especially processed and packaged foods, as much as possible. As always, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant decisions regarding your diet. A healthy and balanced diet, along with an active lifestyle, can help manage diabetes effectively and improve the quality of your life. The human body has the ability to self-heal and self-repair, but we need to give it the opportunity to do so. As Jim Rohn said, "Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live." If you liked this video, smash that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Bye.